Hello everyone, my name is Li Dong from UESTC. Thanks to giving me a chance to have a talk here. My topic is Webring 1.0, a web-based big EEG data management and cloud computing platform. Here is the content of the presentation. Currently, the neuroscience is at the beginning of a new era that combines the capability of the IT resolution with powerful emerging neuroimaging technologies such as EEG and MRI. To advance neuroscience discovered by uniting neuroscience engineering and computational data science to understand the structure and the function of the brain, the International Brain Station (TIBS) proposed leveraging cloud computing technologies to enable large-scale neural data storing, exploring, analyzing, and modeling. This unity will empower scientists globally to generate and test the features of the brain function and dysfunction. Also, there are several brain projects around the world focused on the mesoscale brain. It is resulting in large amounts of neuroimaging data as well as a number of tools and pipelines for this big neuroimaging data. However, while current neuroimaging cloud computing platforms are first designed for MRI data, there is few specific cloud platforms for large-scale EEG big data analysis that may best benefit the EEG community. Therefore, a web-based big EEG data management and cloud computing platform named Webring was designed and developed. Here is the homepage of the Webring platform. Webring combines data stored and supercomputing resources in remote computing clusters, making the analysis of large-scale brain image data simplified, manageable, and highly reliable at the same time. Webring takes the platform as service as design concept. This is the architecture of the Webring system, and the three layers are designed. Importantly, for users not require computer programming skills, not require installing only software or system, all need is a modern web browser, and you can do your research anywhere and anytime. The Webring also is free. In the Webring ecosystem, three roles are categorized according to the different demands and experience of different researchers. These roles are associated in the Webring ecosystem and could work independently to some degree. Regarding the roles of the administrator and IT engineers, the daily management and maintenance of the Webring system and the management of computing nodes are easy, flexible, and efficient. Regarding the roles of neuroscience researchers, the Webring provides the best user experience of working on the cloud. Regarding the roles of brain information methods and tool developers, here is few requirements of IT skills and experience, such as KBS configuration, RESTful web service, dashboard implementation, and computing resource scheduling, and so on. Here is an example usage of Webring, and this is the user's account of the Webring system. And use the Webring, you can very easy to manage your data and the results. And in the Webring, there are 4 steps to use the Webring system. First, you can upload the files and create and run a computing task and check the outputs and download the results. This is the details of a feature task in the Webring. And for administrator, it's very flexible, stable, easy, and efficient to management the Webring system. Also, the Webring system is very easy to add and manage the computing nodes and the tools. On the Webring website, where we provided the Webring example datasets and also the tools and the links of open EEG datasets. The Webring menus and the tool instructions are also provided on the Webring website. Based on the Webrings, the International Virtual Community of Brain Informatics, IVCB, aims to active and engage the virtual community of brain informatics across the worldwide brain researchers. In the IVCB, the researchers in different fields can visit each other, exchange minds, and share data at any time, anywhere. This is the Webring for trains, and also the Webring international collaborators. Currently, there are 47 countries and areas, and 5,484 visitors around the world visiting the Webring website. More than 60 users from 30 institutes in 18 cities. Here is the list of EEG tools in the Webring, including the REST referencing, quality assessment, processing of continuous EEG raw data, EEG network calculations, and so on. Finally, I will give a brief summary about the Webring system. First, we come to the cloud to handle big imaging data for brain science. We hope the Webring is a promising cloud platform for EEG and multimodal data studies. We will integrate more tools and roles in the Webring in the future, and also the visualization of EEG waves and EEG results online. That's all. Thank you.